In activity 4.12, we're given the rate that a person burns calories in calories per minute by a piecewise function. For 0 to 10 is defined as such. From 10 to 20, it's a constant 15 calories per minute. And from 20 to 30 is defined this way. Part A asks us to find the total number of calories the person would burn during the first 10 minutes of the workout. Well, because this is the rate that they're burning calories during the first 10 minutes is given by this function, to get the total number of calories, we would take the integral from 0 to 10, and we'd only need to use this rate. So negative 0.05 t squared plus t plus 10 dt. And now we can apply our fundamental theorem of calculus. So first thing we're going to do is find the antiderivative, so negative 0.05 t cubed over 3 plus t squared over 2 plus the antiderivative of 10, which is 10t. Now we've taken the antiderivative, so we no longer put the antiderivative symbol in front. We move it to behind. I like using a bracket. Some people just use a vertical line. And we put our limits there. What this tells the reader is I've taken the antiderivative, but I have not yet incorporated my limits. So now we're going to put those limits in for t, 0.05 times 10 cubed over 3 plus 10 squared over 2 plus 10 times 10 minus, now we're going to be plugging 0 in, and we'll typically put this in parentheses. 0 for this one works out pretty nice because it's just 0 plus 0 plus 0. But we always want to be careful. And when you calculate this, you are going to get 400 total calories burnt in those first 10 minutes based on this rate. Part B asks us about the meaning of capital C of 30 minus capital C of 0, where capital C prime of t is equal to little c of t. Well, this is going to basically be the fundamental theorem for 0 to 30 of our rate. Gives us this capital C of 30 minus C of 0. So that's going to give us the total number of calories burned between 0 and 30 minutes. And we'll go ahead and calculate that in the next part. But this is basically our fundamental theorem. If the derivative of this is here, our integrand, then doing it from 0 to 30 gives us capital C of 30 minus C of 0, which is going to give us the total amount of calories that we're going to burn during that time.